Coastal new home construction must incorporate pest prevention measures that address salt exposure, high moisture, and coastal-specific pests like subterranean termites and salt-tolerant insects. Start by designing with moisture control as a primary objective. Specify continuous rainscreen systems, ventilated crawl spaces, or elevated piers, and flashing that directs water away from structural joints. Use marine-grade fasteners and stainless steel or hot-dip galvanized connectors rated for coastal exposure to prevent corrosion that can create entry points for pests and moisture. Choose salt-tolerant materials such as dense tropical hardwoods or fiber cement siding and pressure-treated lumber with treatments labeled for coastal use, and avoid untreated softwoods in contact with ground or splash zones. For termiticide protection, select products labeled for use in coastal soils and apply according to label directions by a licensed applicator, treating around foundations and under slabs while ensuring proper bond to geotextile or gravel barriers where specified. Implement a robust site grading and landscape plan that keeps soil and mulch at least 6 inches below siding. Slopes away from the foundation at a minimum 1 inch per foot for the first 10 feet, and uses elevated planter beds to reduce splash and moisture wicking into structural members. Schedule inspection protocols that increase frequency after storms, seasonal high humidity, and during the first 5 years post-construction when settlement and minor defects commonly appear, and document findings in a maintenance log for owners and contractors. Common mistakes include using standard fasteners that corrode quickly, which we fix by specifying marine-grade stainless steel or hot-dip galvanized hardware when detailing connections. Another issue is insufficient drainage and grading that traps moisture against the building. Correct this by designing positive slopes, installing perimeter drains, and using rainscreen gaps behind cladding to allow drying. A third frequent problem is relying solely on standard termiticide placements. Improve protection by combining physical barriers, treated foundation elements labeled for coastal conditions, and routine inspections, especially after storms, to detect and treat breaches early. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who work on coastal new home construction and pest prevention, helping match project needs with available expertise. We also host an active discussion community where contractors and homeowners share field tips, product experiences, and maintenance strategies.